Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change color of checkboxes in Google Sheets. If you want to do it, first you need to select the cell where you want to insert a checkbox. So for example, I click here, after that I go to insert and I select here tick box. If I want to change the color of this checkbox, I need to check what is written here. So when checkbox is unchecked, we have here false information. But if we will check this checkbox, we will get here true information. So now we can go to format and we can open conditional formatting. Then we need to change format rules. We need to change it from is not empty to text contains. Our value is true, so I type here true, and now we can change the text color. So I click on it and I select here maybe this one green color. If you want to change background color, you need to click here, and for example maybe I select here white color. So now if we want to save first rule, we need to click down button. So it is the rule for true version. If we want to add another rule, we need to click on this one option. So again, we need to change this rule to text contains, and this time we need to type here as value false. Now I need to change text color and I select here red. And I will change the tile, so I click on it and I change it to white. After that, I click done. And now, if I will uncheck this box, you will see that the color of the checkbox has been successfully changed to red. So now you can autofill this box. So I press and hold left mouse button on this blue dot and I move position to the last row. Of course, it is the last row with the data. And now, for example, maybe I will check this box, I will check this box, and how you see when it is checked, it has the green color, but when it is unchecked, it has red color. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in a comment if it's of a problem.